Hello and welcome to the channel Harry Byron. In this video we are going to learn how to add axis title in action. So without wasting time we can dive into the Excel file, and here you can see here is my data and here is my chart. So now we want axis titles. So for that simple, we will click on the chart and you will see the plus sign here. Just click here and in chart elements in the second line you will see here axis styles. When I click here axis styles, you will see here in the horizontal and vertical is shown axis title. So if I want only the primary horizontal or vertical which we want, we can add here. So for now I will add both, and here we go. So now we can rename this axis title. So for now this axis title will be month, and this horizontal axis title will be sales. Now we can format this axis title. So for that, just click here, right click, and you will see here style and choose the style. In the same way I will do this for this, right click, style, and this. Even you can change the font of this. Just double click here and you will see the titles option. So now if I double click, you can see that I can change the font. Double click and change the font, and also the text also. Double click and change the text. This is the way. And if you want to delete this axis title, simple, go to the chart and plus sign and click in untick this axis titles and it will be removed. So this is the quick video that you can show the axis titles in action. So this is video number 32, and I will see you in the video number 33 with new titles. Thank you.